Today is all about automations. We are going to talk about your built-in automation setup that you have on Pretty Dashboard. Now, what exactly are automations? All that they are saying that when this happens, then this happens. So if you've heard of an if-then statement before, that's essentially what an automation is doing. It's saying, if this trigger happens, then make this action happen. So that's what we're going to set up today. And the cool thing with Pretty Dashboard is everything you do on Pretty Dashboard is connected. So for example, if someone purchases a product, you can have it automatically add them to a certain email list and then take that and make an automation out of it. So our trigger would be when someone gets added to an email list, then this is going to happen. And that's what we're going to set up right now. So we're going to go up here and click Create Automation. So we'll give it a test name. And let it populate. Now, this is our automation dashboard. You can set different goals. You can see all the analytics and everything. So you can see if someone has opened the emails in the flow or if they're in their flow or whatever. And you can have set certain goals. You know, if you want 50% of the people to complete this automation, you can make that the goal and it'll let you know. But we're going to build out the automation now. So like I said, throughout Pretty Dashboard, when someone takes an action such as purchasing something or filling out a form or booking something, you can have it add them automatically to a certain list that you create. So if someone purchases a skincare product and you want a certain email list for just people that purchase skincare, so that way you can sell to them or you can email them and you can keep it cohesive and only talking about skin instead of emailing your whole list about a bunch of different things. You can get super segmented and email just them. So let's take that example. So if someone purchased your skincare product and they get added to the skincare list, let's create that trigger. So our trigger is going to be added to list. So we'll click on triggers, add new trigger, and here's the list of different triggers. And we have some that are coming soon that are, you know, if they click a link in your email, that can be a trigger. If they abandon their cart, that can be a trigger. But for right now, we have these ones. So we are going to make it so when someone gets added to that skincare list, we will send them an email or an email chain. You can send as many as you want. So we'll select a list. I don't have skincare list. We'll just use the default list, but pretend that was skincare. So we've selected that list. So when they get added to that list, we're gonna create an action. So we're gonna click the plus sign and now we have our actions. So we can delay the action. So after a certain amount of days after they purchase that product or they get added to the list, they will get sent this email or whatever automation you choose. You could delay this until an exact time that you want them to start, like maybe a date or something. Like let's say, you know, you have a course and you don't want them to get sent the information about the course until a certain day after they've purchased. That's what you would do here. And so we're gonna just have it so when they get added to an email list, they will get sent an email. And you can have other things such as you can have it add them a certain tag or remove a tag or add them to another list, add a note to their account and things like that. So for this case, we'll do email. So you'll have it set up to where you can send them a certain email and you can send multiple emails. So you could send this email and then say 2 days from now, send another email, etc., and you can build this out. So you can really get intricate. So if someone purchases a product, they could get emails for 2 weeks that are selling them more stuff or just helping them get to know you and your company. And you can get really intricate and customized with this. You could do this for every single product. You could create an automation. You could do this for every single course. And so it just kind of keeps everything automated so you don't have to necessarily go in and email people all the time. Eventually, yes, you will be emailing, you know, weekly or daily or however you want to, but you can have this in this automation where, you know, for 2 weeks, they're getting sent these emails that you've already crafted. So it's pretty cool what you can do with automations. And you always want to make sure that you turn it on before you do anything. And again, you can set a goal if you want to, you know, to create different goals for yourself and what happens when they go through your automation. So that's it. That's how you build automations on Pretty Dashboard. You can be as easy as you want, or you can get as intricate as you want. And so I recommend you just play around with this a little more. Play with the if then and all of those so you can figure out what's happening, and you can create different flows for yourself and for your customers. If you need any help with anything, please do not hesitate to reach out. Just leave a comment below, or you can hit us up at hello@prettydash.co. Bye.